Every second, you're generating gigabytes of data. How long you're watching a video on a social feed, how long you press down that button when you heart this post. All of those things are metrics that help us gather whether or not you're engaged with the content or not. That is data science.
And now, no matter what field you're in, there's going to be a ton of data, and there's not enough people who know how to analyze it.
So X plus DS is a new program at UIUC that's interdisciplinary and allows different units to combine their major with data science.
We're being a thought leader almost in this field, having a degree from the Geese College of Business, plus a Grainger data science degree is phenomenal.
We want to share what we're doing here at the Grainger College of Engineering with the world. We think it's important for everyone to have data science skills, so we decided to make our website public for anyone to view.
So one of our goals is to not just be the best in the world, but the best for the world.
We're doing a lot of efforts in Chicago with Chicago Public Schools, getting students in high school all throughout Illinois who are interested in data science access to it is something that we're going to be working on a lot in the next 3 years. Data is very beautiful, and you can learn to make it beautiful.
Beautiful data visualizations that are interesting to look at, that are relevant to you, that combination really helps people understand what's going on in the world better than anything else I've seen before.
We're from the Grainger College of Engineering.
And here we solve problems first.